I think the number one lesson as a whole for me is, and I will use Glennon Doyle's words, you only get this one precious life to live, and so spending that doing things that don't bring you joy and happiness and fulfillment, and more importantly, spending that time doing things that actually deplete you. That I mean, literally, you walk away and you just feel lesser because of what you just experienced. Life is too precious for that. It really is just too precious for that. And so that would be the one lesson I would want my daughters to learn from my experience, that even if it's not easy, even if I mean, I left money on the table. I walked away, I left stock options, and I certainly didn't replace that 6-figure income trying to start my own business. And I was fortunate to have a security blanket financially that allowed me to do that. But we always say to our kids, find something that you love. I love my work, and I am happy that I found a way to continue that work, even though without having to be in that corporate slog, finding a different way to connect with people and create value together. I love collaborating with others. So working inside of a company in many ways makes a lot of sense for me. But it's this boundary of I actually think if if this were happening more currently, there would be more options than I felt like I had at that time. There was not flexibility at all in the workplace, for example. You couldn't say, oh, can I, work different hours or do different things? I mean, everybody, it wasn't even a 40-hour work week. It was, you work until the work gets done and you have 60, 70 hours worth of work to do.
Yeah.
And so I think that we are evolving. I hope that we are evolving. It appears that we may be evolving in how we think about work and what possibilities that we present. And I hope that for my daughters that they will have other options, but it really didn't feel like I had to be all in or all out. Like there was no place for anything in between.
Definitely makes sense.